today I've got another patio to do. Been getting quite a few of them. I'll get more of them than I'll do driveways. So, but at the end of the day, work's work. So, yeah, if you do a good job for people, and you'll get work. And I've had plenty of it. I haven't stopped. So, but yeah, so yeah, we've got the sandstone to do again at the back. It's about 50 square meters. Couple black spots here and there. So yeah, I'll get all that off for them. Obviously give it the soft wash again, and then the treatment. No sealer, it's just literally the cleaning and the soft wash. So but they said they got quite a few black spots, so I'll get that up for them as well, and bring it back to life again. So I will now show you the job we're dealing with today. So here it is. It's quite a bad one. Yeah, quite green in this area. Obviously you got the tree up there, and then we're doing down this little pathway as well. It goes down here. These are black spots it was on about. So we'll get them up for them, and then it goes around there. So yeah, I think it's about 50 square meters. So yeah, we'll get that all cleaned and bring it all back to life again. So let's crack on.
That's the cleaning and the soft wash and that done. So yeah, I'm gonna give it another dose of soft wash, and then I'm gonna put some sodium on it, because obviously the black spots and stuff. So yeah, we'll get the second dose of soft wash done, and then put some sodium on it. So hopefully get those black spots up. It's quite bad, this one. Really embedded itself. I haven't had it done in 5 years, so we'll get that done, and yeah, see you again soon. Alright guys, so that is that one all wrapped up and done. Really got most of the black spots up. There's obviously a couple of spots where it's really stubborn. I put a bit of sodium down on it, left it for 20 minutes, and I even went over it with the turbo nozzle as well, and just some of it just really wasn't having it. But got probably about 80–90% of it has gone. But yeah, it's a lot better than it was. Really clean, ready for the summer for them. So yeah, that's this one done. So yeah, cheers for watching again, guys. Remember to smash that like button and subscribe if you want to. But yeah, I will now show you the results. Cheers, guys.